Welcome to our channel, RIFM India. Our mission is to provide unique educational solutions through continuous innovation. Class 12. Business Studies. Chapter 1. Nature and Significance of Management. Revise in one go. Why this video? 1. Revise in minutes. 2. Revise anywhere anytime. 3. Memorize the headings. 4. Help reading without book. Concept of management. Management is the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling the enterprise resources efficiently and effectively for achieving the goals of the organization. Features of management. 1. Management is a goal-oriented process. 2. Management is a group activity. 3. Management is a continuous process. 4. Management is all-pervasive. 5. Management is a dynamic function. 6. Management is an intangible force. 7. Management is multidimensional. The next topic is objectives of management. 1 is organizational objective. A survival. B profit. C growth. 2 is social objectives. 3 is personal objectives. Importance of management. 1. Helps in achieving group goals. 2. Increase efficiency. 3. Creates a dynamic organization. 4. Helps in achieving personal objectives. 5. Helps in the development of society. Now the topic is nature of management. 1. Management as an art. 2. Management as a science. 3. Management as a profession. Management as an art. Art is the skillful and personal application of existing knowledge to achieve desired results. 1. Existence of theoretical knowledge. 2. Based on practice and creativity. 3. Personalized application, management as a science. Science is systematized body of knowledge that explains certain general truths or the operation of general laws. 1. Systematized body of knowledge. 2. Principles-based experimentation. 3. Universal validity. Management as a profession. 1. Well-defined body of knowledge. 2. Restricted entry. 3. Professional association. 4. Ethical code of conduct. 5. Service motive. Yes, the next topic is levels of management. 1 is top-level management. 2 is middle-level management. 3 is supervisory or operational level management. Now the functions of management is 1. Planning. 2. Organizing. 3. Staffing. 4. Directing. 5. Controlling, coordination. The essence of management. Coordination is the essence of management. It is the process of achieving unity of action among interdependent activities and departments of an organization. Now the characteristics of coordination is 1. Coordination integrates group efforts. 2. Coordination ensures unit of action. 3. Coordination is a continuous process. 4. Coordination is an all-pervasive function. 5. Coordination is the responsibility of all managers. 6. Coordination is a deliberate function. Next is importance of coordination. 1. Growth in size. 2. Functional differentiation. 3. Specialization. Wanna share something with us? We would love to hear you in comment section for queries, suggestions and more. Connect with us at our Facebook page www.facebook.com web link. Subscribe us by clicking on subscribe button. Also click bell button to get notification as soon as new video is posted.
Created using Powtoon.